Millions of toothpicks are produced every year. We see them everywhere, in cocktails, and even used by video poker players to keep machines running continuously. They're handed out on airplanes so often that the largest French airline alone uses around 3 million of them each year. Today, we're taking a closer look at toothpicks. Everything begins here, in vast birch forests, where nature quietly prepares the raw material for everyday objects. Birch wood is carefully selected for its strength, smooth grain, and clean finish. Only specific trees are chosen, ensuring sustainable harvesting and consistent quality. Modern machinery allows precise and efficient cutting, minimizing waste while maximizing yield. Each tree is carefully brought down, marking the transition from nature to industry. Once cut, the logs are prepared for their journey to become something surprisingly small yet essential. The transformation continues as the wood begins its journey to the factory. Transported over long distances, these logs carry the future of thousands of products. From forests to factories, the environment shifts from organic to engineered. Here, precision and scale redefine the raw material. Each log is processed with speed and accuracy, guided through highly automated systems. The first transformation begins, turning solid wood into thin, workable layers. Large quantities of birch logs are delivered to the factory. This soft wood is the ideal material used to manufacture toothpicks. The heavy logs are lifted by a mechanical clamp and placed into a debarking machine. Since bark is not used in the production process, it is completely removed at this stage. However, it doesn't go to waste. It is sold to a nearby facility where it is used as fuel. The debarking process takes place in 2 stages. After 2 passes, the log is transformed into a perfectly cylindrical shape, making it easier to process. This wooden cylinder is then transported to the next stage. A machine called a rotary veneer peeler unwinds the log as if it were paper. It slices the wood into 12 thin sheets, each measuring approximately 1.06 millimeters thick and 6.3 centimeters wide. These sheets will later be used to cut the toothpicks. Next, the 12 sheets are placed side by side and fed into a rolling machine, which forms them into coils known as spools. The tiny wood shavings you see are created during the sharpening of the toothpick tips. Blades positioned on both sides of the machine taper the edges of the sheets. The rolling machine then winds the processed sheets into compact spools. Once completed, the spools are removed manually. Each one measures about 25 centimeters in diameter and weighs around 1.8 kilograms. The spools are then sent to a punching machine. This machine cuts the sheets into small, uniformly sized pieces. the cut pieces exit from the end of the machine. The punching system operates at extremely high speed. Its blade moves at around 2,000 rotations per minute, producing up to 8,000 toothpicks every second. The freshly cut toothpicks fall through a chute into a collection bin. At this stage, they are still soft and must be hardened in a drying chamber for 4 hours at 121 degrees Celsius. After drying, the toothpicks are transferred to a polishing machine. A fine talc powder, combined with friction, smooths the surface of each piece. The toothpicks then pass through a screening system that removes any broken or defective pieces. Only intact toothpicks continue to the next stage. The defective ones are automatically discarded. The finished toothpicks are distributed onto conveyor belts using an air-blowing system. Rotating drums at the end of the conveyors ensure precise counting and distribution before packaging. They are then sent to automated packing machines. These machines count the toothpicks and prepare the boxes. Each box is filled with exactly 650 toothpicks. The system produces approximately 1,150 boxes per hour. That's over 747,000 toothpicks every hour. The packaged products are then ready for shipment. Some toothpicks are individually wrapped for use in restaurants or on airplanes. A specialized machine continuously feeds folded paper, wrapping around 1,200 toothpicks per minute. It automatically handles wrapping, sealing, and cutting. In total, this factory produces an astonishing 20,217,600 toothpicks every single day. From massive trees to objects just a few centimeters long, millions of toothpicks are packaged every day, ready for global distribution. Stacked, organized, and prepared, logistics takes over. From factory floors to delivery trucks, the journey continues. Soon, they arrive where we least expect to think about them, in our daily lives. A simple object, shaped by nature, refined by industry, and used in moments we hardly notice.